Hello, good morning class. How are you? Fine? Great. So feeling refreshed? अब मॉर्निंग में नहाने में थोड़ी सी ठंडी लगती है, isn't it? मैम को भी लगती है. So you all might be taking hot water as I have started taking hot water as the weather is changing. So kids, I am requesting you also take an utmost care of yourself. You have to keep yourself warm. Try to take warm things so that you don't catch cold, and then cold will lead to cough again, and this is the time when we have to protect ourselves from cough and cold. Clear? So don't take cold water. You should take normal water. Drink normal water, and while taking a bath also take little lukewarm water so that you don't catch a cold. Okay? So take care of yourself and everyone at home. Understood? Great. So now let's begin with our today's classes. As you all know, today is Tuesday. So what is the day today? Tuesday. And what is the date? 27th. Yes. What is the date today? 27th October 2020, and the day is Tuesday. So on Tuesday we have our maths class. In maths, we have done lot of things, addition, subtraction, then we have learned put the sign and XYZ, lot of various things we have completed. We have also done number names earlier also, but we have learned from 1 to 10. Clear? You remember we have done ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3. Then we did 4, FOUR 4. Then after that 5, FIVE 5. Then SIX 6. Then we did SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, and last we did TEN 10. So we have completed our number names from 1 to 10, and you all have learned also. So moving ahead, today we are going to write number names from 11 to 15. Clear class? So we are going to move ahead. 10 तक finish हो गए हैं. From 11 to 15 is what we are going to learn today and write in our notebooks. Clear? Shall we begin with the work? Fine. So numbers I have already written. So let us see 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So I have written the numbers. Now let us see how we can write their names. So first we have is 11. So how we write? ELEVEN. 11. ELEVEN. 11. Clear? Now one formation of E is this. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो when you are writing cursive. ELEVEN. So you can write both the ways, cursive also, or you can write E like this, but rest of the alphabet you are going to write in the cursive format as you are doing in your English work. Clear? अगर आपने ऐसे लिखा ELEVEN, so I'll cross the work and I'll resend you and I'll ask you to do it again. This is not the correct way. आप कोई LKG class के बच्चे नहीं हो. You are grown ups now. So you are going to write it like this. Understood all? कोई capitals में नहीं लिखेगा. Only first alphabet will be capital. Clear? So 11. ELE. Repeat with me everyone. ELEVEN. 11. Done? Now next number we have is 12. So how we are going to write that? TWELVE. 12. TWELVE. double E N, 13. Understood? THIRT double E N, 13. TH, say with me, THIRT double E N, 13. Now next number we have is 14. What is the next number we have? 14. How we are going to write? FOURTEEN, 14. FOURTEEN, 14. Now cursive F. पहले T बनाया और उसके बीच में एक और ऐसे लाइन लगाई, स्लीपिंग लाइन, एंड दिस बिकम्स कर्सिव F. FOURTEEN, 14. Clear everyone? Once again, FOURTEEN, 14. Done. Now last number today that we are going to write is 15. So when I am saying fifth, so we'll do that phonetically also. Fifth, for if, 15. So let us see. For if, 15. So this is 15. FIFTEEN, 15. Now FIFTEEN, 15. Now class, it is up to you whether you write like this or in the cursive. But when you are doing the work in notebook, you have to write number name 2 times. Clear everyone? So let us revise all the number names, and now everyone will speak with me. 11, 11, ELEVEN, 11. Next we have 12, 12, TWELVE, 12. Then we have 13, 13, 13, THIRTEEN, 13. Then we have 14, FOUR. See class, it is something like 4 and teen. 14. FOURTEEN, 14. Then we have 15. FIFTEEN, 15. Clear everyone? So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these are the 5 number names that you are going to learn and write today. Understood? So now all of you open your notebook and do this work in your notebook. So all of you open your maths notebook, write down today's date, classwork as you all know, and after writing that, just see how I am writing these number names, and after that you will follow the same pattern and do your work. Okay class? So class, now let us see how we are going to do our today's work in notebook. So first you have to write today's date. So what is the date today class? 27th, yes. So in this corner we'll write the date, that is 27th October 2020. So like this you will write down the date. Now after writing the date, what we are going to do next? We'll write CW. Classwork. and the name of the topic, that is number names from 11 to 15. Clear? So these are the numbers that we are going to write their spellings. So let us first write down the numbers. So 11, then we'll skip a line and then we'll write 12. Then again we'll skip a line and we'll write 13. Then we'll skip a line and we'll write 14. And again we'll skip a line and we'll write 15. So now like this we have written our numbers. After writing the numbers, what you are going to do? You are going to write their names, number names. Clear? So let us start with 11. So E you can write either in the print or in the cursive as you feel like. So E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. So what you will do after writing once, leave two boxes and write once again. Clear? So how you are going to write? E, L, E, V, E, N. And class, you will write it like this only in cursive writing, जैसे आप English work करते हैं. Don't write capital letters. Clear? सिर्फ first letter आपको capital लिखना है. Others you will write like this only. So 1 you have written 11. Now next we have is 12. So how we'll write that? T, W, E, L, V, E. 12. T, W, E, L, V, E. Again leave these two boxes and write once again. T, W, E, L, V, E. 12. And see class, as I am doing, I am speaking the number spelling ना, मैम अल्फाबेट्स बोल के लिख रही हैं, स्पेलिंग जो है वैसे ही आपको भी करना है. Clear? Now next is 13. So we'll write T, H, I, R, T, double E, N. 13. T, H, I, R, T, double E, N. 13. Once again, T, H, I, R, T, double E, N. So what it becomes? 13. Clear? Okay. Now next we have is 14. So how you are going to write that? F, O, U, R, T, double E, N. Yes, 14. F, O, U, R, T, double E, N. 14. Again we'll write F, O, U, R, T, double E, N. 14. F, O, U, R, T, double E, N. 14. Understood? Next we have is 15. If 15. Understood? F, I, F, T, double E, N. 15. So the names, the number names that we have written is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Clear? So now this is your today's class work. So what is your homework? Homework is same as class work. So what you will do? You are going to write all these number names once again as your homework on the next page. And the second homework is learn them. So you have to learn these number names. Clear? आपको ये सारे number names learn भी करने हैं. Understood your today's homework and class work both? Okay. So class, you have understood how you are going to write your work in notebook today. You can write it either in cursive or in print, only the first alphabet. Clear? But after writing the first alphabet, the rest of the word should be in cursive, no capital writing. And when you are writing cursive in writing, one thing that you have to remember, write slowly, write neatly and make your letters beautiful. अब स्क्वायर नोटबुक है तो लेटर्स को वन जितना स्क्वायर है ना आपका उतनी ही हाइट में ले जाना है. एक स्क्वायर से बाहर आपका लेटर नहीं जाना चाहिए. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट स्मॉल लेटर्स. एंड व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग द फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट, उसके लिए आप 2 बॉक्सेस यूज करेंगे. क्लियर ऑल? कंप्लीट योर वर्क. Share your work with me as today's homework and classwork both. Do separately. एक ही बार करके नहीं देना, okay? So do separately. Share that with me and don't forget you have to learn these number names as you have done for 1 to 10. Similarly, you are going to learn number names from 11 to 20 now. Clear? Bye. Take care.